Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar gains momentum after the recent break above 65.45 has brightened the bullish mood and therefore could see a further gain on towards the 66 cents, with the 60-day moving average seen around the level of 63.40. In light of how the market's structured here in the pattern, keep an eye on this MACD as it strengthens with the RSI, could see and support the gains maybe beyond the level of 66.45 and maybe up to 66.90, with any pullback likely to be shallow and seen around 65.65. The US dollar index, meanwhile, edged higher at 103.10 to 103.20 following a more than expected decline in the US jobless claims. According to the Labour Department, initial claims dropped to a seasonally adjusted 233,000 for the week ending in August the 3rd, down 17,000 from the previous week and below the 240,000 forecast. This suggests concerns about weakening labour market in the US may have been slightly over-exaggerated. The euro was a little bit whipsawed overnight, but still attempting to try and gain further and looking towards that topside level of 110, figure 10, which was recently stabbed at. In light of how the market is viewed, if the support level at 108.78 is intact, then I feel further gains should continue and maybe extend beyond 110 to 111. But a break of 108.70 may disappoint the bullish mood and see a pullback to 108.15.25 and reassess. The dollar yen extends for the third consecutive day, but still sees lackluster technicals, so therefore suggests towards 147.50 may fail and therefore look back towards 146 and maybe even lower, with a base holding at 142. Sterling relatively firm after posting engulfing candle and therefore could see an increase towards 128.10.15 to 128.60, with any pullback expected to be shallow and support seen at 126.75 to 80. Turning to gold, the market posted a Marubozu candle, which is extremely bullish. Along with that, breaking through 2,400 has opened the pathway wider towards the target of 2,436 to 41, and the broader call still in uncharted territory around 2,500. In light of this recent sell-off, the Marubozu candle should increase bullish confidence and therefore see a rise on, as I mentioned, towards the topside targets, with any pullback likely to be shallow and support seen at 2,418 on the day. Turning to oil, the market increases overnight and now looking closer to its target of $77 to $78 after the break of 74.85 should increase momentum, and with the technicals slightly firming up with the RSI may give the bullish encouragement to see the market rally on. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the interest report and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.